Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. Today is my laundry room makeover episode from start to finish. I can't wait to show you guys everything that was done. There were some mishaps along the way, but it all got done and it's working out well for us. I'll be around to narrate, but for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. It's amazing how much dust accumulates in our homes, especially here in Arizona. This area usually gets dusted down every 6 months or so, but I'm trying to get better with dusting areas that I don't really think about. Now that the makeover is done and there's a shelf up here, I'll need to be more mindful to dust it and the walls. We painted this area about 5 years ago, and it was really badly in need of another paint job. Unfortunately, even though we were repainting this area white, the walls needed about 3 coats to give it a finished look. I also decided to paint the inner top wall that you can't see from where the camera is, as well as the ceiling. The paint that I'm using here is a premium base white in an eggshell finish by Glidden.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Just
I accidentally put my hand on the roller when it had paint on it and got it all over my hand, but I kept painting despite it. The paint was all over my hand and the brush handle, so Lexi went over and got me a paper towel, and Ken got me some handy wipes to help clean me off. I had no problems keeping paint off of me when I did the kitchen makeover, but for some reason, this time around, I'm a complete mess.
You're stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it.
That wasn't easy. I had to do that by myself. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in a minute. To say that that was hard is an understatement. I had to use the top of my head to hold the shelf in place to get all this together. Tell you what, when there's a will, there's a way. And it doesn't matter how much my shoulders hurt right now or how much my arm is aching, that sucker's in there. So hold on a second, I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, so there she is. Now, this side over here has a little bit more space between the bracket and the wall than this space does. Just a tad, not too bad. I had to put this one in the stud because I had it here and it literally ripped a hole in the wall with the anchor. For whatever reason, this wall here is just very, very flimsy. And so it was very difficult. This one over here, I think I got it closer to a stud or near a stud to the point where it was easier to, you know, for the bracket to hold on the anchor itself. This here, the anchor just fell right into the wall. So I said, okay, fine. I moved it over and put it there. And where the strip is, that's where the actual stud is at. So that's going to hold that in. That's not coming off. So now I'm going to be able to put the washing machine back. And once that's done, I think I can start decorating. Or maybe I should start decorating before I put the washing machine back. I think I'll do that first. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. It is dark right here because we just don't have any light that aims into this room. So I'm wanting to put a light up in the ceiling that works by remote control. That would be awesome. Anyway, I got this on Amazon. I'm going to say that I love the product. I do not like their advertising. The reason for that is because the way it's worded and the picture they put up, it looks like you're going to get 4 of these. And then it shows you that you're getting a bunch of these different stickers for it, right? So the way that it looked like to me when I was buying it, I didn't read the description. The title should tell you how many items are coming with the product. So it should have said 1 piece and it didn't. So I'm a little frustrated because this was about $20 with some change, some tax, whatever. I think it was about 21. So, but I'm going to go ahead and put my dryer sheets in it. I am going to keep it. I'm gonna put my dryer sheets in this just to try to, you know, alleviate some of the boxes.
When all your hope is silence, can't find the silver lining.
And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some more labels on Amazon, because I want something that says dryer sheets. The ones they sent me they don't have that on there, so.
And when you feel lonely, ain't got no one to hold you. It don't matter where they ran to, you'll be alright. You can run to me. run to me. And in the end, just don't fear. And know your Father's still here. Oh, I got you, I'll make it real clear. All your life, you can run to me. You can run to me.
Well guys, that's it for the laundry room makeover. It's been in the planning stages now for about 6 months and it's finally done. I just love the flow of the kitchen to the laundry area and vice versa. The colors are now cohesive and the decor keeps your eye moving across the room. I so enjoy taking you guys with me on these little makeover projects. You keep me focused and you support me so much, and for that I am so thankful.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave it a like below to tell YouTube that this is an awesome video that deserves to be seen by more people who enjoy this kind of content. Also, if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon and select all so you don't miss any of the makeover videos I'm putting out over the next several months. I wish you all a very blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Until then.
My feet know every brick and stone could wear a blindfold no matter